Ryan Wallenberg here at Cobalt Digital at InfoComm 2026. Here we're displaying our rAVe series of routers and control panels. The routers handle anything from MADI, SD, SDI, all the way up to 12G SDI. We have multiple different sizes from 36 by 36 square to 64 by 64 square. We also have a series of rAVe routers for the open gear chassis in 12 by 12 and 24 by 24 with similar capabilities. It has very flexible control systems using our hardware control panels in either the simple membrane control buttons or the more advanced intelligent control panels with LCD buttons, where any button can control any HTTP endpoint, even outside of our own products. You can control third-party gear as well with powerful Lua scripting functionality inside these panels. If you want to find out more information on either the rAVe routers or the control panels, please visit our website at cobaltdigital.com. Thank you.